physical divisions. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountain, plateau, plains, coastal, and Iceland. Iceland standing as satellites in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him plus Alaya means the abode of snow. The Himalaya mountains are divided into three main ranges. The northmost is the Great Himalaya or Himadri. The world's highest peaks are located in this range. Middle Himalayas or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. Find out the names of 5 hill station. The Sivalik is the southernmost range. The northern India plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposit laid down by the rivers Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These rivers plain provided fertile land for cultivation. This is the reason for high concentrations of population in these plains. In the western of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. It has a very little vegetation. To the south of northern place lies to peninsular plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is a region with numbers of hill range and valley. Arrival Hills, one of the oldest range of the world, border it on the north-west side. The Vidyas and the Satpuras are the important range. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through this range. These are vast flowing rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats or Sahyadris border the plateau in the west, and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary, while the Western Ghats are almost continuous. The Eastern Ghats are broken and uneven. The plateau is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. To the west of the Western Ghats and east, the Eastern Ghats lie to coastal plain. The Western. Do you know corals are skeletons of the tiny marine animals called polyps. When the living polyps die, their skeletons are left. Other polyps grow on top of the hard skeleton, which grows higher and higher, thus forming the coral island. Figure 7.4 show coral island. Coastal plain are narrow. The eastern coastal plain are much broader. There are a number of east flowing rivers. The rivers Mahamandi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed fertile deltas at their mouth. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Danger waters down there in Shamata stated a big quake, but no one had expected the tsunamis. It did make waves big mountains like an army. They charged and into the South Asian lands with all might. They bargained full with fury. They killed people in the thousands and destroyed everything from buildings and farmlands. The waves come and went from Sumatra to other palace and left nothing there except empty space. People were left without shelter and food. Tourists who had come decided they never should. People lost their loved near and dear ones, survived stitch and for clothes and burns. Relief to the affected was being sent out, but now this is there was a big boat. People feared going near the sea. So could it swell up again, giving no time to free. The fear installed in them may stay by the days, but in this darkness of sorrow, there's still a happy day. Aparna Sinha, Vedant Swati. Look at this. Tushami Killer's waves.